broskies, how's it hanging? Don't ever let me call you a broski ever again. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing okay. I'm here, back with another video. I'm going on a ColourPop tangent, so I'm playing with the Blue Moon palette now. We're gonna call it the Quarantine Blues look. So if you wanna play and have a good time and ignore the world's problems, play along with me. If you didn't watch my last video, you should go and do that. And if you haven't already, you should subscribe. Cool, so keep watching and I'll see you at the end. I gotta figure out something to do. Bonjour! So today, I did not do my base. I thought I would spare you and let you see, you know, what I'm doing. So to start, I'm gonna go in with the Soft Focus Glow Drops. Cool, and then I'm gonna go in with my Porefessional Pore Primer. Meow, meow, meow. So now I'm gonna take my blender and I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Prolong Wear. Like a normal person. 16-hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Peach. Now, do some eyebrows, and we'll be right back. Wabam, eyebrows. We are going to play with cool. Here's that guy. Oh, the ring light just always wants to be so present. Love that. We are gonna go in with Fine China, just this blue right here. Woo! I'm blue, da ba dee da ba die, da ba dee da ba da, da ba dee. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with Moonlight, this really light pale blue. I'm gonna go back with Fine China. Just blend that a little more. Just realized I was still holding the concealer. Now I'm gonna take my favorite little guy who is probably still green. Yep, so we're just gonna get rid of that. I'm gonna take clued in. It's dark navy, and I'm gonna put it in the corner. And then I'm gonna go back in with fine china. Cool, now I'm gonna take my little itty bitty friend, and I am gonna take, I think I'm gonna do Tide Pool, and I'm gonna just pop that in the, now, I'm gonna take Lumi, I am gonna do my other eye off camera, and then we'll do some liner. See you in a bit. Hello, I'm back. There's only a little green left on the brush. It is time for eyeliner. This is the Better Than Sex eyeliner from Too Faced. Sisters, not twins, ladies. Sisters, not twins is always the goal. Eyelashes. Okay, we are at the finish line. As per usual, I am gonna use my Cheek Parade palette to bronze slash contour slash, you know, do all the things because I'm lazy. So I'm taking Hula Lite. And then I'm feeling a little icy today, so I'm gonna go for the Rocketaur, which is this like purple kind of blush. I am going for my fave, the light stick in Star Bright. This is the NYX Illuminating pressed in the shade Ritualistic. This is still my tried and true Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mannequin. Voila! That is all she wrote. Thanks for playing along. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like me, you should subscribe. I hope that you are all doing okay. I hope that you are keeping your spirits up and your positivity high. We are trying. But this too shall pass. So, sending love, sending good vibes. I'll catch ya on the flip side.